Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Make sure mobile data is on and your plan allows tethering because permissions matter. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds to reset radios, and while you're at it, turn off phone Wi-Fi to avoid conflicts. Restart both the Samsung and the client device to flush caches and DHCP leases. This prevents stale connections. These first actions remove the common, hidden blockers so the hotspot can establish a clean session. Next, you'll configure the hotspot for reliability. Go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot and pick 4 GHz to maximize compatibility and range. 5 GHz is faster but less forgiving. Then choose a clear SSID and a WPA2 PSK password so devices authenticate cleanly, and cap connections to 3 to 5 clients to avoid overload. Make sure the hotspot stays active when the screen is off by disabling aggressive power saving. These detailed settings stabilize. To finish, connect a client, and if it fails, forget the SSID and re-enter the password. Authentication errors are common. If DHCP seems flaky, assign a manual IP in the client device, making sure the gateway matches the phone's hotspot IP. Update the Samsung software, and if problems persist, clear the system cache from recovery to remove corrupted network state. If all else fails, use USB tethering or Bluetooth temporarily, and test with another phone to determine whether the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.